Poetavango'S Music and Arts Expo was held on the 6th of December 2025 as a scale down of the Maun International Arts Festival. As one of our milestones or biggest achievements, the event had over 350 attendees, both adults and children, because our event was a family-friendly event. It had day activities that included, children's activities and performances, musical performances that included DJs and other live performances. Seldom parents, have activities that include children, especially, during the festive seasons. This one was a family-friendly event that allowed parents to bring their children to those events, to that event, and having them to, have fun. One thing that we should note is that children are part of this community, a very important or integral aspect of the community. When we bring these children to this kinds of event, we are also giving them that first-hand or primary experience. Our event was held at the Christ Riley's Garden. It started at 12 noon. We had people coming in with their cooler boxes, with their camping chairs and picnic blankets, and DJs playing on the background, soulful music that exuded that picnic vibe. Our program had a diversity of performances that catered for different demographics. We had a variety of performances that included dance hall,
Summer King with another rhythm, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go!
hip-hop.
A lot of cats wanna tattoo the bass, I don't really care cause the flow's untouchable. Looking at the wall through a crack in the dark, writing raps, run them up like dominoes. Call my nigga Max BMS, it's the best killer Max, 82, you an animal. All we know is rap like way back with the Fanny Pack, snapbacks, then I'm on the jaw. I think I can chill for a minute, I think I need to get as high as the sin and not to give it. I ain't been home in a minute, had to hit the streets just to take care of business. They always criticize, I ain't with it. I prophesy, I'm with it, what a finish.
We had youthful music, we had music for the oldies. We had performers like Stiga Sola who gave a scintillating performance. Our event was mainly sponsored by the Orange Foundation with support from Christ Riley's, Capello, and Stanbash Entertainment.
Papa say